All right, hostage. Headed out from the shack. It begins here. Shiprock, New Mexico. Dog, kittens.
Has more of a break and style.
There you go.
All right.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, kitten. All right, so we're headed out of Winslow, Arizona yard right now. So we're out here in Arizona somewhere. He's doing really good, drinking, eating on the train. It's easier to manage than a dog out here. It's a little bit more curious. And as a result, it's just a little bit more comfortable. All right, so we're out here in Arizona, going through Kingman now. It's getting hot as balls. It's not bad enough to solicit taking the pants off yet. But it will be here. It'll be about 90 degrees real soon. It's about 8:30 in the morning. So it's gonna get hot as fuck. These deserts out here, make sure you got enough water on these trains. So I got about 3 gallons backed up before I got on here, because this shit is sketch fucking city if you don't. You're in there fucking raging in 110 degree weather and just roasting alive before anybody even knows it. Yeah, this is some more of the Sonoran desert out here. Just back. Fucking unbelievably depressing expanse of hot dead shit. We're going through a little bit of area that's a little bit closer to what I believe would be maybe Lake Mead or something like that. And so there's a little bit of greenery over there by the aqueducts. And you can see over here, through aqueduct, everything's dead. Yeah. Over there, there's a little river running, and all of the life has attracted itself to it. Because we'll see maybe 10 inches of rain out in this 120 degree weather in the next year. And that would be a good year. It's amazing any of these plants can survive at all. Or animals. And yeah, I really suggest you go check this out maybe. So we're pulling up into the yard in Barstow.
It's really hot. Not anymore, it's probably 70 now, but I don't feel good. I don't know what the fuck's going on here. Just sitting here and letting everything pass us by on the way to LA. So we're headed out of Barstow yard after sitting here for about fucking, felt like a week. It was probably about 7 hours. We're probably doing a crew change or something. Ah, horrible headache, all this other shit. Slept it off. Feeling a lot better now. Hopefully we'll be in LA. From the train, so it makes a huge difference. But yeah, we're doing good. Getting sleeping. That's how you got a real train rider there, you know they're asleep on a train already. And yeah, that's needles for you. So we just got off the train over there. I'm like, alright, they want a beer, whatever. Just like we found the second we stepped off the train. Yeah. 2 gallons of wine, man. 2 fucking gallons of wine. She was a lady, she likes her wine. Yeah, we're gonna head out, Venice. Oh fuck yeah, that was it's the end of that little jaunt for you. Fucking New Mexico to LA. Yeah. Huh, Katie?